Discover the 9 basic gardening tools of 2025. I've done extensive research and reviewed countless models to bring you this list. Check the link in the description for more details. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. WorkPro Garden Tool Set. The WorkPro 8-piece garden tool set. Made from durable stainless steel, each tool features a sturdy wooden handle for comfort and long-lasting use. This set includes a trowel, hand weeder, cultivator, gloves, and a convenient garden tote. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. Number 2. Felco F2068780 Classic Manual Hand Pruner. The Felco F2 Classic Manual Hand Pruner, the ideal tool for precise cutting. With lightweight, sturdy aluminum handles and high-quality hardened steel blades, this pruner is designed for comfort and durability. Shock-absorbing rubber cushions and a sap groove ensure a smooth, clean cut. Perfect for medium to large hands with an ergonomic, non-slip grip. Felco, built to last with a lifetime guarantee. Number 3. Berry & Bird Swow Garden Hoe. The Berry & Bird Swow Garden Hoe. This 61.8-inch stainless steel tool features a long handle for comfort and precision. With its 3-edge design and wooden grip, it's perfect for wetting, cultivating, and maintaining your backyard, flower beds, and grass. Number 4. Gardening Shovel. The Fiskars Ergo Garden Trowel, your ultimate heavy-duty hand tool for digging and planting. Featuring an ergonomic handle for comfort, durable construction for tough tasks, and a convenient hanging hole for easy storage. Perfect for every gardener. Number 5. Trooper 3293 Spading Fork. Trooper 3293 Spading Fork, the ultimate tool for your garden. With its 30-inch premium wood handle and high-carbon forged steel head, it's built to last. Featuring 4 durable diamond point tines, it's perfect for digging, turning, and amplifying soil in your garden beds. A must-have for gardeners. Number 6. Jardinier Leaf Rake. The Jardinier 63-inch Leaf Rake, your ultimate tool for lawn care. This lightweight, adjustable rake effortlessly clears leaves and grass, making yard work a breeze. Durable metal tines ensure efficiency, while the ergonomic design offers comfort with every use. Number 7. Pruning Shear Battery Powered. The KebTech Electric Pruning Shears. These cordless battery-powered shears are perfect for effortless pruning. With a 16.8V rechargeable battery and a 25mm cutting diameter, they make trimming branches easy and quick. Includes 2 2AH batteries for long-lasting use. Number 8. Fiskars Micro-Tip Rose Pruning Shears. Fiskars Micro-Tip Rose Pruning Shears. Featuring a 6-inch non-stick stainless steel blade, these gardening scissors offer smooth cuts with ease. The soft grip handle ensures comfort, while the micro-tip delivers ultimate accuracy. Perfect for any garden. Number 9. Grandpa's Weeder. Grandpa's Weeder. The original stand-up weed puller, featuring a long handle, real bamboo construction, and a 4-claw steelhead design. Effortlessly remove weeds, no bending, pulling, or kneeling required.